Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. We've brought this boat in with the 200 Mercury V8, which is the new style Mercury engine. You can see the sea deck matting on the flooring, which is an option for this boat. One nice feature of the 210 is the flip up backrest. So when you're anchored up, hanging out on the back of the swim deck, you can a nice back aft facing seat. With the outboard power 210, underneath the sun pad you have amazing storage. Beach chairs, coolers, all your gear. You'll see the optional flooring we have in the tan. Good storage underneath the aft seat. Coolers tucks away under here. Underneath this seat, you also have great storage. Ordered this boat with the 2 bucket seats. Obviously they have the flip up thigh rises. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You have your 3 gauges across the dash, as well as a depth sounder here. Digital throttle and shift is standard with the Mercury. You also have great storage in the floor for skis or wakeboards. On the port side, we have good storage for all your gear tucked away under the console, as well as a nice glove box that drains built in behind the windshield. Moving forward, you have ample seating up front. This boat is also equipped with the cockpit cover and tonneau cover. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My telephone number is 910-200-9636.